Today I just want to talk about why I didn't upload since 2 weeks, and this is because I have a regular job as a software engineer and I have a lot to do in one day. This is why I can keep up uploading once a week. But actually, I was coding a software as a service. 2 years ago, I started a software as a service using Angular and .NET Core, .NET Core 5 at this moment. And when I sell the source code, a lot of people were not familiar with .NET Core. I decided to change the backend stacks to use Node.js. So a lot of people find it very easy and less difficult to host Node.js and Angular project. So I changed the backend side. That means that I have to actually rebuild the API with more than 15 a lot of control actually, and that took me actually 6 months to do. So that was a lot of work, and this is why I take so long to upload about the software actually I'm recording for YouTube. So I want to sell actually the source code of this software as a service because I feel like speaking marketing, I'm not ready enough to promote a software as a service and sell recurring and sell monthly subscription. The way I think I will sell this actually is to sell the source code actually like on Code Canyon. I was selling on Code Canyon, but I deleted the whole project, I mean the Angular and the .NET Core part from Code Canyon because I feel like on Code Canyon a lot of people the item that work actually in Code Canyon is WordPress. So a lot of people come on Code Canyon to buy WordPress. So now I finished the first version of the Angular and Node.js stacks, and I create a landing page with a checkout page to actually sell the software on my own website. This is why that take me a long time actually to work on the checkout, the software as a service I'm actually recording for on YouTube. So now I can breathe a little bit that I finished the first version. Breathe. I can actually find some time to record. Actually, you can check if you want to see what the software is about. This is actually a software that will allow you to to start a business, quickly start a business. In only one day. All you need is to grab one of the license. I have 2 licenses, a regular one and a premium license. And the difference is that with the regular license you can just use the regular license for your personal use. You can just host the regular license and just send invoice send invoice or manage your accounting, your finance actually, because this is a finance and accounting software. You can just use the software to manage your finance, connect your Stripe and PayPal account, and drive all your transaction, and the transaction will be automatically categorized, and you can just do your accounting. If you know you have an accountant, you can show him the software and see what you can do with software. Actually, I have the premium license. The premium license will help you actually to launch a software as a service online and start making some revenue, some monthly revenues. But you have actually to work on the marketing and promote the software. This is where I don't have enough skill to do, so I decided to sell the source code. Actually, this is sad, but this is just what it is. I don't have enough skill in marketing, and I'm learning. That will come. And actually, with the new software as a service I'm coding on YouTube, and I know this is crazy, I'm just showing the source code publicly, but I will use anyway this source code. I will use anyway this software to start this a SaaS on my side, on my own, and learn enough marketing, and learn online marketing to promote the software. So because this is a problem I need to resolve actually, because when I went on Code Canyon, the way they the feature they provide to author to sell the script is a little bit, has been old. You need to actually manage all the version of your item, your product, your digital product using zip file, and with GitHub actually, or we have Git. Why not? Why can we use Git to manage the version? Why can we? Because actually you can just add unlimited user to a Git repository. So if we make this process very easy for author, you can just create a product and connect a private Git repository, and each time a user buy a license, he will be automatically he will automatically have access to this private repository. So this is actually the problem I'm solving here. I search a lot of software as a service, a lot of tools online to see if any of them have this feature, but I didn't find any software as a service online to do so. Even on the business week that will be my concurrent, like Lemon Squeeze or what else, Gumroad, they don't provide any feature to connect any private repository to your product. So actually we will do this on the actual software I'm coding on YouTube. And now the roadmap for the next days is that I will just create a video and make a compilation about the authentication process, because I think the authentication process, like we have achieved 19% I think of the authentication process, because I have the social login to test again, because I implement this part, but I need to test actually this part again. So I will make a compilation video all in once, and you guys can have all the authentication process in one video, because actually I got a lot of video, and you can find this video actually in the playlist, but I will just take time to do that and continue with the product upload. So I was uploading the product file on the cloud part, and I also forgot to maybe in the this is basically what I was doing. But before that, I will make the compilation about the authentication process I record before, and then I will come back to the product upload. So the product upload, the product creation, sorry. So the product creation was for the product creation, the feature was I will give all the information about the product in the first step, because I have 3 steps. The first step will be about the product information, like the name, the description, and the price. And in the second step, I will upload the product files to a cloud service like digital ocean service. And before that, in the first step, the thing I will do is that I will just specify which type of product we have. If the product will be connected to a GitHub repository, a private GitHub repository, or we'll just use a digital upload product, a digital file. That's it actually. And yes, I will implement this part because for now I was recording this session and I stopped at this point. So now that I finished the other software, the other accounting and invoicing, billing / online payment platform, I finished this software as a service. So now I will make everything available, do some marketing, do some promotion to sell the source code, and now focus on the actual SaaS. I'm recording actually on YouTube. The link is in the description. You can check out the landing page and the feature of the software I just finished. The software I decided I just finished. If you want to buy, that's up to you. You can just because actually you can you can actually buy the source code and save a lot of time, because building a software as a service take a lot of time. If you are not developer at the first place, you can hire the wrong developer and you can lose a lot of money. And when you launch your product and you just don't know if the product will actually scale or not, but you actually need to you don't know actually that this is a long process. The business part is a long process, so you can just test. You can just take the quick road to test if a business can work. You can just start like that, and when you gain some more user and you have a lot of users that signing up on the software, you can just hire some freelancer, hire some developer to improve the product. And meantime, on my side, I will just work find some time to provide some update about the software. And if you buy a license once, you don't need to buy again the update. you can get a lifetime update, and 6 months and 1 year of support. If you buy the regular, this is actually 6 months, and if you buy the premium, it's actually 1 year. So enough talking about this software. So that's it, and I will start upload more about the software actually I'm recording for YouTube. So thank you guys for watching. And yes, I forget, if you have any question because on your side you are trying to actually you are coding actually the software on your side, and you are some issue, you can just join the Discord. Link is in the description, and you can ask some question. I have maybe I have people, basically me. I can reach out and help you to resolve some issues. So feel free to ask some question. Feel free to reach out and ask some question. I will help you to resolve the issue. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching.